Welcome to Kyanite Services, your go-to provider for reliable and cost-effective temporary site solutions. Keep your workforce comfortable with our temporary welfare solutions like portable cabins and sanitation. Our mechanical services, including HVAC, trace heating and boosted water for your project. From lighting and power to CCTV, we provide complete temporary electrical solutions. We offer full site services from setup to water, utilities and security. Our 5-star Google reviews reflect our commitment to delivering exceptional service. Contact us today and let Kyanite Services handle your temporary site needs with expertise you can trust.